It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Sndl grower stock, the ticker symbol, of course, SNDL. So, SNDL is at 75 cents, ladies and gentlemen. It is down 4 cents for the day, nearly 5, a decrease of 6.10%. After hours, it gained almost 1%. But before we continue talking about this, for those of you not familiar with the channel, I don't sell rainbows, I don't sell sunshine, and I'm not going to tell you that we're going to take you to the promised land like other YouTubers do. What we do is that we deal with reality. We look at the market as it moves. We look at short-term investing, long-term investing. We look at the news. I look at tweets. I give you my honest opinion. No matter the situation, whether you like it or not, the truth must be heard. Now, Sndl growers, it is down. And I warned this after the earnings report. Sndl growers, it was around what, 91 cents, was it? 92, 91 cents, right? Sndl growers, a lot of people thought the momentum would continue, but I felt that bullish momentum was sort of just a short-term momentum builder because of the earnings report, which were all extremely positive. If you take a look at the financials here, look at this. The revenue, 14.37 million for Sndl growers, up 11.68% year over year. Net income, 11.31 million, up 115%, ladies and gentlemen. The diluted EPS also up 101%. Net profit margin was up 78.73%, and year over year this makes it 114.19%. So look, that was for the quarterly, right? And Sndl growers did very well compared to other quarters. So therefore it had that boost in the price, but once again, things returned to normal as it correlated with the stock price. And as I have mentioned over and over and over again, SNDL under $1 is a golden play. You just cannot go wrong with it. And at the same token, here's the thing with SNDL. This is an accumulation phase, an accumulation zone. So many people see the red, they run away. And I already said that after the earnings, Sndl growers would have ample opportunities for accumulation phases and accumulation stages as well. People. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. But yeah, that's what I had said. I had that feeling that Sndl growers would go down between 75 and 80 cents. The 80-cent barrier was wiped out clean. It is down all the way to 75 cents. And in the day, Sndl growers actually got as low as 74 cents. So right now it is sort of playing tug of war in between the mid 70s and the lower 70s. So we could see Sndl growers now between 72 to 78 cents. But I'm going to stay short-term bearish, which is a good thing because bearish means we will have lower prices. Therefore, you save a few extra pennies on Sndl growers. But when a stock is this ultra cheap, a few pennies matter tremendously because you could pick up a humongous bag of SNDL. Therefore, you will have more profits when this thing goes above $1 and beyond. So yeah, sundial growers accumulation stage. It is what it is. It looks well, even though right now it may not seem that way. But at the end of the day, this is what sundial grower wants and needs. In the course of the last 5 days, down 18.38%. In the course of the last month, it is up 8% still. And in the last 6 months, it is up 2.08%. So these long-term numbers are shrinking now. As the last 6 months, we had a higher percentage not too long ago. And now it is declining. So things are looking like they will point a bit to the bearish side. Of course, unless the bulls have something to say about that. Let's take a look here at tipranks.com. Just pulled out Sndl, and let's look at what the analysts are saying about sundial growers here. Take a look. This is the thing that for all the FUD we see about sundial growers, people telling you not to buy it, yada yada yada. Look at this. The lowest price target is at 80 cents, right? Which is actually, we are below that right now. The average price target is 89 cents. And then we have the highest price target from analysts sitting well at 97 cents. But of course, as I have said, Sndl will cross above $1 as it has over and over. It tests that theory, and when they need to be compliant with the NASDAQ, that's when it will reach that dollar zone if it's not already there. Because let's be honest, sundial growers, with all the manipulation that could be going on behind the scenes, look, it ain't going nowhere, baby. That's what it is. Look at the analysts now. This is their rating consensus here. Out of 3 ratings, we have 0 buys, 3 are holding. But look at the key element right here. 0 analysts are telling you to sell. Of course, this is given stock ratings in the past 3 months. So in that past 3 months, in which sundial growers was mostly down except for that rise for their earnings, they're still telling you don't sell. Somebody telling you to hold is almost sort of saying buy the stock, because they're not saying sell. When someone says sell, they want to get rid of the stock, do over with it, or just take profits from that particular stock. So to see analysts not having that sell is a very good sign here for sundial growers. But like I said, people, watch out, be careful in the markets. We could have another dip down. Accumulation, accumulation, accumulation. That's what it is with sundial growers. That will be it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, it's simple. Give it a thumbs down. The haters are welcome to the channel. We encourage you to be here. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps tremendously and it helps more than you know. But above all else, more importantly, it helps sundial growers. More people learn about it, more people find out about Sndl. Smash that notification bell so you can stay notified, informed, and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.